are in Yarmouth, and we're watching the waterfall, and this is just next to a brisk park. You see, this is July 13th. You can see how the water's still flowing fast and everything. Over there you can see where one of the branches come down, and you got our basketball stuck right on it. Look at that. You see where some boards come downstream and everything, and they made a little park next to here so people can come and watch the waterfall. Okay, and that used to be a mill. Kind of neat to see. Look how the rocks were all put together and everything for the bridge. The fish here too, so that makes it good for the kids in town. And there you go. See that ball over there? The peacefulness of the water.